If you're watching this, chances are you may have wasted weeks researching products, burning money on ads for duds, and watching other dropshippers succeed while you're stuck in analysis paralysis. So by the end of this video, you'll discover how to go from product idea to live testing in hours, not weeks, using a tool that eliminates the guesswork and gets you profitable faster. Let's get into it. Thank you very much to Doba for sponsoring this video. Whilst it's easier now than ever before for beginners to get started with dropshipping, one of the biggest frustrations arguably is not only finding winning products, but the speed or lack thereof of executing and testing those products. Being able to go from idea to live product that you're currently testing in store. Platforms such as TikTok are obviously a huge goldmine when it comes to coming up with ideas, as well as seeing what content is working to promote those products and demand and so forth. But this can be often overwhelming, which is why in this video I'm going to walk you through a tool that brings all of that together in one location where you can get started as a beginner, less headaches, more progression, and faster results. The problem is, as a beginner, you'll often find that you waste money on ads for dud products, wasting money creating content on niches that never work for you. You are wasting time, or you could find yourself in a position where you are working with a company or a UGC creator, which costs a ton. The risk is still there if the product does not work. Imagine if you could find a place where you can easily source ideas, get ads that are ready for you to use so you can get testing straight away. Let me show you this tool called the Doba Video Hub. And by the way, if you want to follow along, I've left a link in the description so you can trial this out for yourself. Let's start with the sourcing ideas section. So what you can see here are videos that help you to get started and see what's currently working. The first couple of sections that we're looking at here, just to go through them, we've got this top US dropshipping supplier for outdoor gear, meet Flashfish, the premier outdoor power station supplier for Doba with US based warehouses and high ticket margin, and so forth. Now the beauty of this is not only do they let you know how much potential profit you are going to be getting per order once you go with this particular supplier, you've also got an option to add all of these products that they offer into your inventory by either selecting one of the products or selecting all of them, which we'll circle back to a bit later on in this presentation. You've also got an option to explore 6 winning cleaning picks to boost your sales. Straight away you can see this is linked to a hashtag. It's talking about a clean talk hashtags, and what this tells us, Doba has used their AI to track what's working within TikTok, and they found that this hashtag is currently going viral. A lot of people are creating content for it, researching it, which ultimately means that there is a potential to make sales using that hashtag. This video explains that in more detail here. You can select each product or you can select all of them and add them to your inventory. So a huge thing that you'll notice as we go along here, the theme is saving time. All of this, if you were doing manual research, would potentially take hours, sometimes even days, but now you've got all of this information condensed and put together here. So we can go along towards the right. We've also got top 6 hot selling garden and outdoor products here, 8 viral Valentine's Day finds you must sell. And the beautiful thing here is you've got some creatives that you can incorporate straight away onto your websites. All of these visuals, all of these videos are available for you to edit, throw into a simple free editor like CapCut, edit and throw that onto your store. You're not waiting for days, potentially even longer, to get the product in your hand before you start creating the video. You've already got the video content that you can get started with to create those initial ads, determine demand, and then maybe get your foot in and then get stuck in and get the actual product and film some videos yourself. 6 high margin wellness products to sell in 2026, 10 hot dropshipping products you can source and sell, and so forth. This is the sourcing idea section. We're now going to move on to the influencer picks. So influencer picks is pretty straightforward. You're looking at products that are discussed by different influencers on YouTube. It's pretty self-explanatory. Not going to dig into that one too much, but you've just got people that have done the legwork, done the research for you, and are walking you through what's currently working right now, what are the winning products for this season, this month, this time of the year, and so forth. Again, worth exploring if you are really struggling for ideas. But as well as the influencer picks, we've also got the supplier showcase. What I really like about the supplier showcase is you have all these different options that are broken down by category here in terms of what's working product wise and supplier wise. So you've got home, garden and tools, beauty and health, you've got sports, you've got pets and so forth. But even beyond that, linking back to something that I said earlier in this video, what I like about how Dover's put all this together, not only have you got these products organized in the sense that I've just explained, you've also got an option to add the products into your inventory list. For example, if I click on here, I can select all of them and I can add them towards my inventory list. You've also got these ad creatives right here. These are ads that you can download using this download icon, and they'll be available for you to start selling, for you to list and put on your dropshipping store straight away. So you can literally use these videos, maybe do a little bit of basic editing, maybe use free tools like CapCut and so forth, and get these listed, test quickly, see what's working, eliminate duds, find and double down on those winners. When it comes to putting all of this together into a simple, easy to follow strategy, one of the most basic strategies you'll ever find anywhere on the internet, here are a few steps that are optional. The first step is, of course, signing up for Shopify. You can use the free trial link I've got in the description. I think you get 3 days for free, then 3 months at $1 per month, and then afterwards it goes up to the normal charge, but plenty of time for you to test it out. The second step is to sign up for Dober. Of course, you wouldn't have access to all these tools that I've just mentioned without signing up for Dober. The third step is accessing Dober Video Hub. Have a look at all these different suppliers, influencer tips, and have access to all those ad creatives that you can use pretty much straight away on your Shopify store. Optional to you, I would strongly advise you going onto TikTok. TikTok is obviously a huge goldmine when it comes to understanding what people are searching for and also what is currently being done to meet the demand and whether enough is being done, so you can determine if you're going to have a high amount of competition or a decent amount of competition. So you've got free tools like the Creator Search Insights tool, and then from there you very easily going from idea, seeing what's working, listing your idea, and then testing straight away. The friction is suddenly gone. You can eliminate your duds within a couple of hours. Again, the links are in the description if you want to follow along, and thank you very much, Joba, for sponsoring this video.